How to update Adobe Acrobat. Keeping your software up to date is super important, not just for the new features but also for the security. Adobe Acrobat is no different. Let's quickly see how to update it. For that, open up your Play Store, which is over here, tap on it. You can find Adobe Acrobat in two ways. The first is by tapping on the search button on the bottom right corner, typing Adobe Acrobat over here, and once you find it, simply tap on it. So I have recently updated my Adobe Acrobat reader, and in case you haven't updated it for a long time, you will see an option for update on the place of open, which is over here. And after you tap an update on that, it will automatically start updating your app. Second method is you can just go back, and here you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Then you can go to Manage App and Devices. You can see it over here. Tap on it. Go to Manage. And as Adobe Acrobat starts with A, you can easily find it on your list. Simply tap on it, and as I said earlier, you will see update on the place of open over there. And that's it. Keeping Adobe Acrobat updated is straightforward and keeps you secure, running smoothly. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.